안녕하세요 여러분, 명아입니다. 오늘은 집에서 하는 길이 큰 운동 영상인데 저번에 헬스장에서 했던 운동 영상은 한국말로 이미 했으니 이번 편은 영어로 좀 하려고 합니다. 트위치 코리아도 석정되고 영어 쓸 일이 더더욱 없어져서 이렇게라도 영어를 좀 써먹어 보려고 해요. 한국말은 자막으로 대신하겠습니다. Hi guys, this is Irene. Today I'm going to be doing a home working out. Like so many people ask me that what kind of exercise do you do? How many times do you work out in a week? I have been asked these questions like nearly every single day from my Instagram, during Twitch streaming, or even my ASMR channel as well. So this video is actually the first step to show you guys my daily workout routine. I'm not sure that other countries' gym close on Sunday or not, but regularly here in Korea, most of gym have day off on Sunday. So like me, every Sunday, I go running outside or doing Pilates at home like this instead of going to gym. Okay, let's start. The first sequence is a pigeon pose. Pigeon pose is helpful stretch for the hips, especially for back pain relief. I highly recommend anyone who sits in a chair at work all day. This is so good. This one is actually my favorite poses too. You guys must try. Repeating on the other side. Gently pull your legs toward your chest. Keep your lower back on the ground. Press the left knee forward to increase the stretch. Second one is called puppy pose. Originally it's yoga sequence, but you can do this on a Pilates machine too. You can do deeper and easier. This is so effective on rounded shoulder and spin. Actually, I have a rounded shoulder, so I love this pose. It's so fresh. Slowly rest your forehead to the mat. Allow chest to release toward the floor or rest it on a Pilates machine. Next one is recycling hand to big toe pose. This pose stretches your hips, thighs, and hamstring. As you can see, there is a strap by my side. If you are sometimes not able to perform the full version of this pose, strap will help you find a suitable edge for the particular season for you. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I will post more my exercise videos soon. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video today. Thank you. Bye.